So you might be in a situation where for some reason you want to see which iPhone apps are taking up the most amount of storage. Now, in order to do this, what you're going to want to do is you want to hop inside of your settings application. Now, when you do that, you will come into this specific page. Now, what you're going to want to do here is you want to go and hop inside of your general settings. So go and click on general, which is right there, and you will see this next panel come up. Now, what you want to do here is you want to go and click on iPhone storage. Now, when you do that, this next panel is going to come up, and this is where things start getting interesting. So now on iOS 17, we have the ability of basically changing how this is loaded. So now what you can do is you can go ahead and basically choose this specific option right here, and you want to make sure this says size. Now, if you want, you can also change it by last used date, but in this case, we're going to keep it at size. Now, what we're going to want to do here is we want to go ahead and change this, and we can see that all these applications that are here right now are changed by the size of these devices or these applications. So now what we can do is we can go ahead and basically click on Call of Duty Mobile. The top one is going to be the one with the most biggest size, basically. So these applications are going to have the largest sizes. So now what you can do is you can take, Genshin Impact, GarageBand, TikTok. These are the applications that are taking the most amount of storage. So all you're going to want to do right now is you want to go ahead and, again, with these applications, you want to go ahead and, if you want to delete them, you can go and delete these applications. If you want to offload these apps, you also have that ability. So figure out which specific application you want to keep, which ones you don't want to keep, all that stuff. And that is basically what you're going to want to do here. And that's basically how to do it. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.